Hey, it's G. I am back with another What's in the Box, and clearly you guys already know what vibe I'm vibing at right now. It's about handbags, because this is the time of year where I like to stock up on all the things that I really don't need, but they're at a great discount, so why not? So recently I did an unboxing for the double zip wristlet. And I want to say that was the Saffiano leather, right? And I said to myself, I really should get one in black because it's just really that great. Yeah, so we did. So we went back, and what came in was this little puppy. I'm digging it. Now, you guys already know that it's a beautiful wristlet. Like I said it once, I'm gonna say it again. If you just want to carry one thing as a wallet / carry-all, this is the way to go. And it comes in a variety of textures, right? Like styles, or I should say collections. This one I got in the ostrich because I figured, you know what, if I'm going to do it in black, I don't want to do like the regular leather in black. I'd rather do something that's a little bit more, what's the right word? I don't want to say outstanding, but I guess it is. Yeah, I'm gonna say a little on the not normal side. So we went with their ostrich. Now, this is not full ostrich, which I think we all know. Although D&B, they are known for their exotics. If you've ever checked out their exotic collection, they will bring the real stuff, but you're talking like anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000. And this sister, much as I love a good handbag, I'm not rocking it like that. Like I just refuse. I refuse to go back down that path, right? So this is the ostrich. Look at that texture. They do a really good job of making it look as authentic as possible. It's really, really nice. And it's very attractive. As I said before, this little puppy has all that you need, that if you want to just take this one piece, you definitely can. We've got a lot of paper in here. Let's take this paper out. There you go. There you go. So we know again that it has those card slots on one side, and then the other side, it's got your zippered pocket right there, right? So me, this past holiday season and the trip, took one of these in that Saffiano leather so that I didn't have to worry about carrying something when I went to dinner, or when I want to drop the backpack or my larger bag because I'm traveling, I could just take this. Now, I don't carry much. I carry, like I said, my phone. I carry my Beekman 1802 lip balm. I carry a little lip gloss, some hand sanitizer, stuff like that. I'm not carrying my whole life. But if it was acting as a wallet, then you really wouldn't carry your whole life in here anyway. So you've got this main interior pocket, and then again, there is this second pocket here. Hold up. I'm getting all tied up in here. Hold up there we go. You got that second pocket that allows you to put a lot of items in there as well. So this is where I typically keep like the sanitizer, my eyeglass cleaner, and things like that. So I want to say I am finally done with this particular style. I think I'm done. I mean, how many colors do you need? You got your natural, you got your black, you got like a taupe, a navy. What else do you need? I mean, anything else can go with all those other colors. I don't really do white, so that's gonna be a no for me. But this is the ostrich large double zip slip, right? Slip wristlet. There we go. Okay, getting it together. That is what's in the box. Hey, if you're enjoying these unboxings, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.